In the studio with me right now, I have a gentleman who's here from Union Bank. We've had an opportunity to chat before. I have Alan Vartanian of Union Bank. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hello. How you doing, T? Thanks for having me again.
I'm fine. The banks always mystify me a little bit, but I always love that there is a presence here in our valley, and Union Bank has been here an awfully long, taking care of the Santa Clarita Valley and its residents. And there's some new things with the banking industry, and you're here to talk to me about that today. So tell me a little bit about what's going on in your corner of the world at Union Bank.
Sure. Thank you. So Union Bank, Union Bank has been around for over 150 years. And a lot has changed, a lot has changed even the past few years. I've been in banking, like we mentioned last time on our interview, I've been in banking about 17 years, going on 18 years. And when I first started, we didn't really have online banking the way we do now. We don't really have the apps or the mobile phone apps or anything that's called the digital channels. Lee, did you know that before, let's say even 2 years ago, maybe even a year ago, where you went to the bank, you made a deposit, you come back home, you notice, I left this $100 check on my counter. You would get back in your car, go back to the bank, get out, get in line, make that deposit, come back home.
That was half of your life was spent in line at the bank. It's
pretty much
a fact.
Now you just go on your phone, your cell phone app, you click a picture of the check, front and back, hit send, and it's in your account.
It's like the Jetsons banking.
Pretty much.
But how nice that saves a lot of time, and time is money no matter how you look at it. And the idea of getting back in your car or making that trip, that's really a nice feature.
Yeah, especially 104 degrees out, like you mentioned. I don't know if I want to get my car for a $100 check.
Not doing it. But this is an easy way to take care of it.
Right.
And in addition to just helping us manage our money and helping us take care of, and everything, not just personal, corporate, commercial, retail, wealth management solutions, meeting the needs of all your customers, you do some really nice things at the community level.
We do. We try to pride ourselves with getting out in the community. The big focus around the bank's doing is our focus with the American Heart Association. So it's a campaign that the bank runs. We're one of the major sponsors for American Heart because we know how important everybody's heart is, right? And the health of heart and the awareness. So Union Bank has decided to be a major sponsor every year for several years now. And our fundraising efforts started on August 15, and it goes until September 26th. It's a 7-week campaign, and we're asking clients who come in who wish to donate at the local branch level, and we can write their names on little hearts that American Heart has provided and stick it on a wall. And it's been good. And we're third week into it, and we raised so far we've raised over, I want to say, $11,000, and we're going strong just in our region. So.
Wow, just in our area. How very, very nice. And so it's nice. Union Bank is helping the heart, and Union Bank has heart. So you're a very, very wonderful part of the Santa Clarita Valley. And you said you've been in banking for how many years now?
I've been in banking for 17 years.
Well, you've seen a lot of changes.
I have. Back in the days when I used to work for my prior bank, the company I used to work for, it was normal for customers to come in and wait 45, 50 minutes in line. Literally, the minute we opened the doors at 9 o'clock, we had a line out the door and around the building all day, 9 to 6. And now, typically, you go into a bank, sometimes you don't find any lines, maybe 1 or 2 people waiting because all the digital channels, the direct deposits, the mobile captures, the online banking, the bill pay. Have you written a check lately?
Well, yeah, mostly no.
Yeah,
so it's all done. Everything's done in a totally different world and online.
Changes.
So now, and how about as far as working in the Santa Clarita Valley as he wipes his brow? It's very warm here, I know. Working in the Santa Clarita Valley, you've sort of kind of grown up with the valley because the valley's had a lot of changes too. So.
Yeah, there's, what the nice thing is, there's a lot of development going on now, which is great. Mortgage rates are still in an all-time low. It's been low for about a few years now.
This is the time to buy a home.
Absolutely. The property values have obviously, as we all know, has gone up. But if you want to lock in your rate in that sweet spot of the 30-year or even a 15-year fix, Union Bank has probably one of the most attractive, not only conforming loan rates, but jumbo rates as well.
Amazing. Very nice. And so tell me, where are you located? How do we get to you?
We are in the corner of McBean and Valencia in the Kohl's Shopping Center, and where Whole Foods is. Address is 24240 Valencia Boulevard, Valencia, California.
Very nice. Alan, thank you for coming by today. Again, we're talking with Alan Vartanian of Union Bank, talking about all the wonderful things, all the heart of Union Bank. You're helping the Heart Association, and you're helping the hearts here in the Santa Clarita Valley. Thanks for stopping by,
Thanks for
sir.
having me. Good to see you.